If you hold a US mortgage, plan to buy property, or work in tech, the $58 trillion on US bond market is sending a clear message about interest rate. While stock markets headlines often focuses on record highs, professional institutional investors pay close attention to the US Treasury bond market. The $58 trillion Treasury bond market, it is indicating that domestic interest rate it may remain elevated for longer period of time than expected. Despite public and political pressure on the Federal Reserve to implement rapid rate cuts, bond yields reflect present underlying economic pressure, including inflation expectations, federal debt insurance, and geopolitical friction. Well, when 10-year Treasury yields remain high, then overall borrowing costs throughout the economy it stays firm, regardless of any short-term benchmark moves by central banks. Well, for non-resident Indians and corporate professionals living in the US, elevated bond yields directly impacts home ownership and real estate financing. US mortgage rates do not directly mirror the Federal Reserve's short-term funds rate though. Instead, they are the benchmarked against the 10-year US Treasury yield. So when bond yields rise or remain stuck at elevated level, then mortgage rates stay high. Maybe 10-year fixed mortgage rate remains elevated, reducing purchasing power for any home buyer. And also refinancing waves stall. Homeowners who locked in higher fixed rates over certain period of time, they face longer wait for lower refinancing window. Then comes customer credit pressure, variable rate debt, including credit cards and personal loans. Well, that maintains a high interest burden on household budgets. Here the second major consequences on high bond yields, it falls directly on the tech sector. Silicon Valley giants and enterprise tech firms, they are spending hundreds of billions of dollars reconstructing a data center and digital infrastructure, and much of this massive capital expenditure it is financed through corporate debt insurance. Now here higher treasury yields means corporate bond insurances must suffer higher coupon payout to attract the capital. As corporate borrowing costs rise, profit margins squeeze. Well, elevated interest expenses reduce net earnings even as the revenue grows. Cost-cutting initiative, that means tech firms face pressure to maintain efficiency through maybe headcount reconstructing and tighter hiring budgets. Then capital reallocation also affects. Well, speculative or lower margin tech projects risk being delayed or maybe cancelled in favor of high ROI infrastructure. So this bond market dynamic creates a complex environment for monetary policymakers and government fiscal planners here. Central bank leadership faces a delicate balance here. Well, lowering policy rates too quickly, it risks igniting inflation, while keeping rates high increases government debt serving cost and slows the economic growth. In the meantime, international intervention is also there, such as treasury actions to stabilize currency movement or manage the yields. Then comes volatility. Well, that highlights how global financial stability depends on the US debt market liquidity. But for the investors and high earning migrants, maintaining cash reserves, elevating fixed rate versus variable rate exposure, and monitoring 10-year treasury yield, that provides a clearer economic compass than the daily stock market shift. Let's summarize this now. The US Treasury bond market is now signaling that elevated interest rates, high mortgage costs, and stricter corporate capital discipline, they are all likely to persist. Whether you are evaluating a home purchase, planning real estate investment in North America, or maybe navigating the job stability in big tech, tracking bond yield, it offers essential macro oversight.